Hello YouTube, how we doing today, guys? All my friends, fans, family, relatives, pets, past and present. I don't have any present pets. Anyway, today, it's a glorious day outside. Oh my gosh, it'll be a beautiful day. We're in the office all day doing work, but at least we have a window right here next to us. You guys are crooked. I think that straightened you up. So that needs a level on it. So, yeah, fantastic day. Lieutenant Dan back here on the job. Security guard on the job. Everything is up and running and going. So, you know, yesterday I had a surprise visitor drop by from Indiana and got himself a hat. But tomorrow's Matt's. We'll be heading out here first thing in the morning, driving up to Matt's, and man, what a difference in the year it makes. This time last year, I had just had the Peterbilt all shined up by Fernando at Shine A Truck, and was that last year? Or was that year before last? I feel like last year I transitioned from driving to this. I didn't go to Matt's last year, did I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, this is April. I didn't make the transition until March. This is March. So anyway, so yeah. So this time last year, just had the Peterbilt all shined up and polished to the nines by Fernando at Shine A Truck in Kingman. Did a fabulous job, Fernando, so thank you. And got to Louisville, and right there, just it was a Sheridan, Kentucky, Shepherdsville, Kentucky, blah. It snowed, man, so the last 10 miles of the drive just trashed the Peterbilt. I mean, trashed it. And we had to sit there all weekend dirty because the truck wash crew, Pride Truck Wash, they were trying to rape people, man. $200 just because it was a show, you know. And I didn't wash the truck, so I'd sit there nasty. And man, I was sick all weekend. People never seen the truck, wanted to come and see the truck, and the thing was just trashed. And this year we don't have no Pete. We're driving the Dodge. Thought I was driving a girlfriend's Toyota Corolla because it gets a lot better fuel mileage or gas mileage than the Dodge. A Dodge, those 35s, that thing's doing 12.8. We might do 13.5 on the highway. The Orange Hornet would do north of 20, but we're not driving it to Louisville. The Dodge, we can park it anywhere, cross curbs, do whatever we need to do. And you know, because the tight parking will be tight up there. Because I want to go to the Uber concert Saturday night at the TA lot where the trucks go. So it'll probably be full. Everything around it will be full. So there's that. So you guys coming to Matt's, look me up. I'll be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're going to be there doing that. Got a letter here from a Pull Toy. Mr. David, you guys can see him in the comment section all the time. He always leaves me comments in every video, and sent me a check here for a hat. As you can tell by this expensive stationery, I don't write anyone. I send Christmas cards to my two sisters and nephew and his family. Oh, that's cool. Found a video on Life is Good. I enjoyed all my videos on my iPad. But anyway, really nice letter there, Poor Toy, so thank you. And I hope you got your hat by now. He ordered a hat, so we sent him a hat in the mail. And you guys want a hat? Well, I don't want to show them. Go back to the previous video, but I got the orange and gray Goily truck, and I got a blue Goily truck and a blue GT. You click the link down there, Kofifi, go buy me a cup of coffee. $21.50 covers the cost of the hat, shipping, boxes, and everything. So the person that made me my hats is Allie, and so I got a surprise package from them yesterday. It turns out it's not from Allie, but it's from her dad. So see you at Matt's. So Todd, I'll see you at Matt's. So Todd made me a t-shirt because his daughter is in Disney, and so Todd, I love it, Todd. You did a good job on your first embroidery, and that's an embroidered t-shirt. I don't think I own any embroidered t-shirts. So Todd did a fabulous job on his embroidery. using his daughter's machine. So thank you very much, Todd. We'll definitely look up at Matt's and buy you a taco or something while we were there, you know. And so I got a box from Canada. I shipped this guy to Canada a hat here a while back. Peter Clark, he wanted a hat, and then it cost me like $10 to ship that thing to Canada. But I didn't charge him. I just charged him a normal fee because he's a good friend. He sends me all kinds of stuff. Oh my gosh, looky here, man. So he is. I don't know if he's full police, but Vancouver Police Motorcycle Drill Team, and he has a beautiful. I wish I should have planned ahead and got this up on my Instant Messenger. He has a beautiful. Let me see if I can find it. He has a beautiful. I think it's an '88 Peterbilt cab over. It could be a '98 Peterbilt cab over. Let me see if I can find it. I should have done this before. Here it is, Peter Clark. Well, I should have said your last name there, Peter, but let's see. So, no, I don't see the pictures. I know he sent me pictures of his truck. Anyway, he uses that truck to haul the drill team motorcycles, and they're going to be in Vancouver. Not Vancouver, I think Seattle coming up. But Vancouver Police hat, motorcycle drill team. Man, I love it, dude. Love it. Nice patch. Thank you very much, dude. Thank you a lot. And I got a couple poker chips here. Let's see what they are. So, Vancouver, BC, Canada. And then we got this on the back. It's True Dealey. I think that's how you say that. And Langley, BC. Nice, man. So thank you very much for the hat and the patch. That is awesome. That is awesome. You know what? I may, if you don't mind, I might forward this patch down to Hollywood. I got a friend, Hollywood, down in Florida. You can find him on my friends thing from Facebook there, and look him up. His Rob Cornelius Hollywood, and he used to be a motorcycle instructor to the police department, and he's the boy could ride a bike, and I bet he would really love that patch. So I'll see if I can get a patch from him and send it to you, and we'll try to get that arranged. So with your permission, I will transfer that patch to Hollywood and try to get you a patch coming back. So now we have us a prime pantry delivery, and you. This is our second prime pantry. The other prime pantry was high-speed chicken feed. Well, now we got some high-speed. Is that upside down? Some high-speed drink to go with a high-speed chicken feed there to come in. So thank you for that. Let's see if there's a note to who sent that. Sometimes they include a note, sometimes they don't, you know. But I'd like to know who it was that sent the prime pantry. I don't know what that costs to do that, but that's cool as crap. Whole Foods Market, Amazon, prime pantry. Let's see here. You can learn more. Send a gift. Yeah, there's no name. There's got to be a way to give your name to that. Because finally, somebody in the comment section told me who the high-speed chicken feed was from. You know, but anyway, so thank you very much for the yellow. Another yellow. That would definitely keep me awake up here in this office on these computers. And it looks like I just got a note from one of the drivers. I got to go do a carrier pack. So that'll wrap that video up. And but I appreciate the notes and the gear today, guys. And we appreciate it. And we will see you guys up there in Matt. So thank you very much for the hat and the patch and the mellow yellow. And Pull Toy, thank you for your always watching and commenting. I greatly appreciate it. And you're always nice and respectful, and we have a great camaraderie in the comments section. So thanks, guys, and we will see y'all in Matt's. Y'all have a good day, and be careful. I have to go do a carrier pack for a driver. So that's going to be awesome. Y'all have a good day, and we will see you at Matt's.